Hello friends, welcome to another series of quantity surveying and costing. In previous lecture number 1, we learned how to find out the quantity of excavation from a masonry wall. Now we further learn how to calculate the concrete quantity from the masonry wall. So let's start. On screen you can see the diagram of block masonry wall. These are all structural components except blocks. First of all, we find out the concrete quantity of lean concrete. I am zooming in the structural component. At the bottom of the foundation, you can see there is a 6 inches thick lean concrete mentioned. Lean concrete usually provided below the foundation. So the thickness is mentioned here 6 inches thick, while the other dimensions are taken from the footing layout. Here in footing layout, the dimension of footing is 5 feet in length and 4 feet in width, and the third thickness is 6 inches thick. So let's start. Here we write serial number 1. In item description we write lean concrete and count how many foundations are there. There are 5 foundations in our masonry wall. All are same type, that's why the dimensions will remain same. So first we type 5 in numbers. Length and width will be taken from foundation layout plan. Here length is 5 feet and the width is 4 feet. So write 5 feet and 4 feet respectively. The depth or the thickness will be taken from the section. Here in section it is written as 6 inches thick. Then it will be 6 divided by 12, basically inches. From inches to feet we divide the number by 12 and it will become 0.5 feet. Multiply all these quantities. Multiply all columns. Here we get the quantity of lean concrete for all 5 footings in a masonry wall is 50 cubic feet. Back to now again come back to the diagram. After calculating lean concrete, we will find out the quantity of footing. The method of finding out the concrete quantity of footing will be same as the quantity of lean. The only difference is the thickness of RCC footing is 18 inches thick mentioned here. So again there is a 5 foundations. We write here serial number 2. Instead of lean concrete we write here RCC footing. The same number 5, same dimensions, length 5 feet, width 4 feet, and thickness will be 18 inches, which will divide by 12 to convert it from inches to feet. Again multiply all these and we will get here 150 cubic feet. After finding out RCC footing quantity, now we will find out the plinth beam quantity. Here our masonry wall is 40 feet length because there are 4 intervals and each interval is 10 feet long. So write here number 3. Here write plinth beam concrete. Here number is 1. Total length right here is 40 feet because 10 feet multiplied by 10 feet, multiply by 4 intervals, it will become 40 feet. After writing 40, please concentrate one thing here. The length of masonry wall is 40 feet, but it here the plinth beam from plinth beam quantity we will deduct the quantity of column. The column size is 6 inches by 18 inches. Therefore, we will deduct 18 inches column from our plinth beam, and here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, there are 5 columns. That's why we will deduct minus 4 times into 18 inches means 1.5 feet. Here we will get the length of plinth beam 34 feet. The other dimensions of plinth beam will be taken from here. Here plinth beam size mentioned is 6 inches by 24 inches. So we write in width 6 inches divided by 12. We will get answer in feet, and 24 inches divided by 12. Here we will get the answer in feet. The 6 inches will become 0.5 feet and 24 inches becomes 2 feet. Multiply all these and this quantity will also return in cubic feet. Now the last element is column. Come back to the drawing. Here there are 5 columns and each column size is mentioned here 18 inches by 6 inches thick. You can see on the left top the column size mentioned here is 18 inches by 6 inches, and there are 5 columns. So right here serial number 4 columns concrete. There are 5 columns, that's why we write here 5. Length and width of the columns are 18 inches by 6 inches. So right here 18 inches divided by 12, it will convert into feet, and 6 inches by 12, the 6 inches converted into feet and it becomes 0.5 feet. The depth of the column is 8 feet. 8 feet plus 2 feet plus 5 feet. You can see on the left side the depth of the column is 8 feet plus 2 feet plus 5 feet, and from this depth we will deduct the thickness of lean concrete, which is 6 inches thick, and the depth of RCC footing, which is 18 inches thick. So come back to the Excel sheet. Here write 8 plus 2 plus 5 and minus 0.5 feet of lean and 1.5 feet of footing. The net depth of the column is 13 feet. Multiply all these and get the answer. The total quantity of 5 columns concrete is 48.75. Thank you friends. Keep watching this channel for more latest videos. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you.